As we near the 6-year anniversary of Chandler Dogs, I have an exciting announcement. In a downtown Scottsdale broker's office this morning, I signed a new lease. The best part about it is that we're moving into a much larger suite, over twice the size of Chandler Dogs, and we're staying in the same shopping center. We have big plans for the inside of this suite. The best staff, the best clients, and of course the best dogs, Chandler Dogs, are going to get the best facility. Stay tuned for more announcements.